And what's up, guys? We're back with another video, guys. My name is Bang Galatore. Guys, today I want to give a shout out to my boy Tahi over here. Bruh, he's like better than me at choosing and stuff, So I'm just gonna give him a shout out. I am, bro. Bruh, look. Hold up. Alright, so there's my face cam right there, so you know. But this boy got some poor. This guy legit got some poor connection, though.
I am not better.
Yes, you are better than me. Okay, so his name is KidSwag453_Junior. Subscribe to his YouTube channel, friend him, follow him, and everything, guys. Alright. The reason why you guys may not see my full screen right now is because of these stupid screen recorders. It's pretty trash, so you know. Or what I could just do is that I don't really need face cam. I can just do it like this, and you guys can see the full screen. But for now, we're just gonna do like this. Alright, we see this guy. Oh shoot, this guy set down a trap. Oh, did he? Did he now? Oh, I just chopped killed someone. Bro, stop, bro. Let me get this kill. He's almost dead. Let's go. I got the kill. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, who is that? Bro, calm yourself. Oh shoot. I'm not falling for that.
Wait, none of those are my walls. I thought those were my walls.
Those weren't your walls. So you know your floor that you set down. I edited through, and then you fell down to my trap.
I thought those were my walls, so I can go trap.
You're an idiot.
Yo, after a few matches, I want to make a video and I'm gonna name it one to one of my friends.
Alright then. Then we can go to your VIP server and stuff.
Yeah.
And then we can have a build battle. Or you want to do the build battle right now?
No, I'll do it in the game. But not right now. After this.
Alright, let's do it after this match then. Thank God I'm not that laggy with this screen recorder. Cause I only have 2 subscribers, but I get a lot of views though. Like I get up to like 12 views or so.
I got 15.
You have 15 kills?
No, 15 subscribers.
Oh yeah, on my other YouTube channel, I have 4 subscribers, which is pretty good. But the thing is, like, I get a lot of views, but you know, like, so like the videos I get the most views, it's like when
I can't get a single kill. I'm still on this dumb pistol.
Dang, you're trash.
I know I am.
I'm just kidding. You're better than me. I still can't believe you fell in my trap.
How is this man not dead? I shot this man 75 million times.
Alright, guys.
2 clips of my pistol on this man, and he's still not dead.
That is sad AF, bro.
Okay, yeah, there we go. Now it's dead.
I have no more mats? How? Oh, shoot. I need some mats right now, bro. Like, I have no mats. Come on, bro. Break this.
No! Hey, I got the kill.
It was all worth it. From a young little boy. Oh, I just got someone. No, I'm just kidding. Someone just got. Ow, why my arm hurt? It's not in a circular form, bro. I just don't know how people record so well. Like because I do not think my parents would come actually go out to buy me some recording stuff. But who is that?
I have to save my money on my recording stuff. And did you know your first paycheck is when you get 10,000 views? It doesn't have to be in one video. You have to total it. And then you get a paycheck every month.
It's when you get 10,000 views?
Yeah.
How do you know that?
I saw it in a video.
What are mine? Because I
It
did.
was a girl who explained all about being a music group.
Oh. Well, why did you even watch it in the first place?
So I wanted to see how it'd be like.
God dang, bro, chill. Wow, I never have any of maths, bro. Because I be always wasting my maths.
Game. I just wasted my math trying to do 90s.
Oh, sit down, kid. Oh, wow, he had to rocket launch me.
Especially number.
Alright, let's do this.
I have no maths.
Thank God I died, so I have maths. Sit down, you kid. I barely get to see people in this game, though. Bro, hold up, bro. Chill down. Calm down, bro. Calm down. Calm down. Sit, bro. There should be volume on my thing, bro. Not ho. Not ho. Gonna minute ho. 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 Alright, let's do this. Oh my god. Hold up. Bro, like, I really don't know what to talk to right now. Oh yeah, now so if you guys want part 2, we have to get up to 10 views. Alright guys, right now we're leaving the server so we can do a 1v1 match. If you guys want part 2, give me some views, bro. Share this to everyone, bro. 5 likes, we will do a whole series on this.
Yep. Wait, for real?
Yes. I'm not joking. I do not lie to my fans. Even though I have none. Shoot.
You want to keep doing it until we get to free for all? Do you want to do it in gun games?
Well, we can, yeah, I guess we can just do it until we get to free for all. Okay. Free for all is, you know.
Free for all is like the best one.
Alright, so you wanna have a build battle like practice round right now?
Sure.
Alright, hold up. Let me just get some mats. I need 10,000 mats.
Going to the bridge.
Oh yeah, you have to go to the bridge. Yeah, okay. I need 10,000 mats. So.
10,000.
Yes, I need 10,000 mats. I'll be mad building. Okay, I'm okay. 9,000 something. 10,000 mats. Let's go. Now you don't need 10,000, but you know. I swear to God, bro, if I use auto clicker, I'm gonna be trolling.
You better not.
I'm not gonna use auto clicker though, cause that's cheating. All right. So place your thing. You can't even. Okay, you know what? Place it. That is. All right. I don't know how to do 90s, but you know. You ready? 2, 1.
I got my 90.
This is my first time ever doing this, so I'm not really a natural at this. So if you win, don't be too happy. Haha.
No.
I won that match. Alright, let me kill myself. Alright. Okay, I just killed myself.
I should have edited instead of shooting the wall. I was shooting the wall. I should have edited.
God dang. Okay. Okay, one of us have to shoot all of that down.
I got it.
I'll only shoot the ground. Alright, it's going down. It's just satisfying to see all of that just fade away. Alright, dude. I'm coming. Let me just get more mats real quick. Cause if I have only 4,000 mats, I'm going to be, in big trouble. I barely used my gun. I only chopped killed you. Alright then. Okay, 10,000 mats is on the line. The way I said that though. Said 10,000 mats is on the line right now. Oh, you're not allowed to kill. Calm down. Thank you. Are you ready?
Ready?
3, 2,
2,
1.
1.
Oh god, I messed up. I fell down. Ah, shoot. But you just got some high ground on me, bro. Gives you a better advantage. Shoot. You got a lot more better advantage, bro. Bro, calm down. This is my first time doing this. Shoot! I have no more ammo! I had no more ammo!
Where did you come from?
It's called building up, bro. I had no more ammo, though.
I'm so lucky.
Oh my, I was so close to falling right there.
Same. Oh my gosh. No! Stop it!
Let's go! I got you so good. Bro, because I keep on boxing you in every time I try to kill you.
No, okay, I'm going sweaty this time. Here we go.
Alright then, if you go sweaty, I'm going sweaty. Because I know when you go sweaty, bro. I know you. Bro, let's do this then.
I'm going sweaty this time.
Alright then, let's go, bet.
All I need is 5,000 max. Actually, no, 7,000 max. Here we go.
I only use 600. I only got to 9,099.
I only use like 1,000 max at night.
Yeah, me too. I only use like 1,000 max.
Oh, here we go. This is a serious one now.
Alright then, both of those were practice. This is the real one right here.
No. Those can count. Those can count. I don't care.
Alright then. Let your think back, boy.
Edit. I can't edit. Here. No.
Okay, alright, let's do this.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, buddy.
Yeah, because like I'm legit scared right now. Gotta be fast right now.
Oh my gosh, I hear your voice.
I have ways to building fast. Oh, okay. So you're being sweaty right now, boy. Oh, okay, all right. So you have your word. You have your word.
I'm literally just doing 90s.
I'm legit just doing the same thing over and over and over again. No! Freak!
Who killed who first?
I killed you first. I did.
I took out the chopper. So what?
No. So I placed my trap first, and then
No, I took out the chopper. No.
Well, it doesn't really matter who placed the trap first. It's who matters who got the kill first. So I got the kill first. So I won that match, bro. I was going easy too. Nah, I'm just kidding. I was going extreme mode right there.
You always be coming out of nowhere.
Okay, alright. I have a trick in building up. It's so doing 90s is faster than mine, but once I get the hang of it, once I be like, yeah, bro, let's go. So like that's when I'm like actually catching up to you. So let me tell you my strategy. So when I'm building up, I just build up and then I build to the side and then I edit my way inside your build and then I just come inside and trap kill you.
Oh my god!
I got 11,000 mats right now, just waiting for you.
3, 2. I messed up.
Should have told you my strategy. Now I have to use a new one. Shoot. I Harry Pottered myself right there. I keep on Harry Pottering myself, bro. That's not even a word. Harry Pottering. That's just flip. Oh.